Hi, thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel would be highly appreciated. DOOGEE has announced DOOGEE S200 MAX in what appears to be first rugged phone in the world with a silicon battery which gives it 22,000 mAh battery and relatively less thick body. In today's video, I will be comparing DOOGEE S200 MAX and similarly spec Blackview Xplore 1 to see which one is worth the money. Don't forget to leave a like or a comment if you have any questions or opinion after watching this video.